Exercise 13. This time it's about an exponential model. The half-life of a certain radioactive substance is about 120 years. For those of you who don't know that, half-life is the time needed for a substance to reduce at half. Which of the following exponential functions best models the amount in grams of the substance t years after 300 grams of the substance is present? So here we were told that the initial amount is 300. We know that in an exponential graph we have a form like this. And the A0 is the initial, which is when t is 0. For us, 300 is the initial, which means that when t is 0, the m of 0 should be 300. So this means that we should directly reject A and D. Now we are between B and C. What else do we know? We know that it takes 120 years, so T is 120, for the substance to reduce at half, which means that from 300 reduced at half should be 150. So we know that we have to find which one of B and C satisfies the following. When T is 120, M of 120 is 150. Let's start with B. 150 is 300 times 1 half to the power of 120 times 120. Clearly, it should not. However, when we look at C, 150 is 300 times 1 half to the power of 120 over 120. Since this is equal to 1, it would be equal to 300 times 1 half, which is indeed equal to 150. So the right answer here is clearly C. Don't forget, if this helped, like and subscribe.